Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In the last lesson, we learned that if you have everything ready and you start animating right away, your animations are gonna look weird and fake and unnatural. You needed to do anticipation, action, and aftermath, not just the action, right? Remember? Why? Because if you're not a professional animator, chances are you're not, otherwise you wouldn't be checking this lesson, then your animation is going to be sloppy. So what you need to do is apply the anticipation, action, and aftermath. But how do you do that? Here's how. Just take your smartphone or any video camera and record yourself doing the movement. Or get someone to record you. We mentioned that in a previous lesson, but today I'm going to explain to you how exactly do you do this and how to exactly get the perfect timing. The end result, when you don't use a reference, is gonna be something like this. And when you use references, it looks like this. How the heck did I manage to get the movements like this? Well, I used a reference. The reference I used was Sato and me being the hunters. For this reference, I learned how to move the shoulders, the head, how to take each step, how the whole body moves, where the effort, how to put the effort of carrying someone. Is it on the right leg, on the left leg? Just considering all of this makes for good animation. The problem with the crappy version is the unnatural movements. And the problem with the unnatural movements is that it seems as if there was no weight, no physics, no gravity, and the hunter is not really carrying his partner. He's not really struggling because it appears as if there was no gravity. That is one of the main reasons the 12 principles of animation were born in the Disney studios. Because a lot of the times, the scenes look too fake. And when they started getting very interesting animation, they started to notice it was because of the physics, right? What tell us if there is a real physical world or not? The movements of the characters. How we move the characters is how they interact with their world. And how do we set up for that? Well, by recording a reference. With the reference, I was able to observe frame by frame each movement of each part of the body I needed to animate the hunters. Now, again, all of that sounds great in theory, but how about some practice? Well, that is exactly what we're gonna cover in the very next lesson. Now we have that lesson prepared. All the files and everything is ready for you, and in the next lesson you're gonna get it. You will learn how to get from this to this. That's what you're gonna get. It's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna explain to you every single step in a lot of detail. Until next time, this is Mark Diaz for 2danimation101.com. Take care.